Hello everybody, my name is Nick and you're watching for Leet, and here we have few BENRO products. Now from the left to the right, here we have a Fit28 CLB2. Now this is a tripod slash monopod from BENRO. As you can see, you can actually unwind or unscrew this leg and then have it as a monopod. You would just remove this central column. Obviously we would have to unscrew this bit for weights, and then you would be able to actually use this as a monopod as well. This has 14 kilograms of the maximum load and it weighs only 1.42 kilograms. That's because it's made of carbon fiber. Now when it comes to this one, the length is 465 millimeters, when fully extended 1650 millimeters, and also you can remove these legs and then attach these needle type legs, which would allow you to work on much harsher environments. Now when it comes to this one, it's extremely light and extremely easy to use. Also with both this one and this one, this is a tripod slash monopod as well, and this is how it looks when you connect the leg and the central column. With both of these you do get a carrying bag, which is very important and very useful. Now when it comes to this, this is a Fit29A ALH1, something like that. I think that's in the reference to the photo head. Now thing about this one is that you also can as well remove the leg and attach it to the central column. This one has the maximum load of 6 kilograms and it's 415 millimeters when folded up and 1545 millimeters fully extended. It weighs only 1.61 kilograms. The thing about this one, it's made from the magnesium and aluminium, which is very useful. Personally, I do prefer metal tripods, although I do see a benefit of the carbon fiber ones. Now think about this one, it does come with the photo head as well, and it does have this foam bit here just like the carbon fiber one, so you can use it in colder environments. When it comes to the carbon fiber one, personally it's not really that necessary because it's not the legs will not get as cold, but it's useful to just have a more grip. Now you can remove a video head, you can remove photo head, sorry, from the either one and then use it as a video. If you do have a video head to attach it, then it's much more useful for video. Now you do have a maximum load capacity of 6 kilograms, which will be more than enough for most setups. And on the end here we have the magnesium aluminium monopod. Now let me just remove these two tripods for a second and have the monopod in the middle. Now this is MAD49A, maximum load capacity is 18 kilograms, it's 540 millimeters folded up, 1910 millimeters fully extended, it weighs 0.84 kilograms. Maximum load capacity of 18 kilograms is more than enough for any setup like let's say 300 millimeter 2.8 or 200 to 600 millimeters. it will basically take anything. Also you can use it to attach like something like a gimbal and then shoot from above, because you do have extremely large length and low capacity is more than enough. Obviously you can use it for video as well, because you can just attach video head. And that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Until the next time, goodbye.